What is resonant breathing?
Resonant breathing is a simple breathing technique designed to help you relax and restore balance. It involves breathing in and out at a slow, steady pace, around 5 to 6 breaths per minute. This natural rhythm helps calm the nervous system and promotes emotional stability. Anyone can practice resonant breathing, making it an accessible tool for better mental health.
How resonant breathing works.
When you breathe slowly and evenly, your heart rate and nervous system begin to synchronize in a soothing rhythm. This process, also called heart rate variability coherence, signals to your brain that it's safe to relax. The result is less stress, a clearer mind, and improved mood, all from just a few minutes of mindful breathing.
Step-by-step guide to try it.
Find a comfortable place to sit. Inhale gently through your nose for about 5 seconds, then exhale slowly for 5 seconds. Aim for a smooth, even flow. Repeat this cycle continuously for several minutes. Try focusing your attention on your breath to help quiet distracting thoughts and deepen your relaxation.
Benefits for mind and body.
Practicing resonant breathing can lower stress and anxiety, promote emotional balance, and improve sleep. It supports your physical health by reducing blood pressure and helping regulate the body's stress response. Over time, regular practice can enhance overall well-being and make it easier to manage difficult emotions.
Integrating resonant breathing into daily life.
You can use resonant breathing anytime you need to feel calmer, before a meeting, during a stressful moment, or at bedtime. Even a few minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. Consider making it a part of your daily routine for lasting mental and emotional benefits.